This video is brought to you by NEEWER. This headshot was taken outdoors with a flash kit that cost less than most camera bags. No studio, no assistant, just one light, one trigger, and one softbox. Today I'm going to show you exactly what this kit is, how to set it up, even if you've never touched a flash before, and what it can actually do in the real world. Welcome back to The Block. I'm Roger Singh. Around here we explore the cameras, gear, and workflows that help us create. Now, quick disclosure before we get into it. NEEWER sent me this kit, but everything you're about to see is how this gear actually performed for me, and all the opinions are mine. If you've been wanting to get into flash photography, but the gear always felt complicated or expensive, this episode is for you. 3 pieces make up this entire ecosystem. First is the Q120. This is a 120 watt monolight, which means the flash, the controls, the power are all built into one unit. And here's the part that surprised me. It's battery powered. The battery is rated for around 420 full power flashes on a single charge, and it charges over USB-C, so there's no wall outlet, no extension cords, no power pack hanging off of the light stand. You charge it like you charge everything else in your bag, and you can take it anywhere. Now, second is the QPRO trigger. This sits in the hot shoe of your camera and fires the flash wirelessly, but it does more than just fire it. You can adjust the flash power right from the trigger, so you never have to walk over to the light between shots. And it also supports TTL, which means the flash can meter the scene and set its own power automatically. If you're brand new to flash, that's huge. You can start in TTL, get good results immediately, and switch to manual as you learn. And third, the NS90P Softbox. This is a 90 centimeter parabolic softbox, and it's the piece that takes us from a flash to a portrait setup. Bare flash is harsh, hard shadows, hot highlights, that deer in the headlights look. A softbox this size spreads the light out and wraps it around your subject. And that's where the professional look actually comes from. Flash, trigger, and modifier. That's a complete starter studio, and it fits in one bag. Let me show you how fast this comes together. Because this used to be the intimidating part of flash photography, and it just isn't anymore. The softbox mounts to the front of the Q120 with the Bowens mount, line it up, rotate to lock, done. Bowens is the most common mounting standard out there, so anything you buy later, grids, beauty dishes, bigger softboxes, will almost certainly fit this light too. For the trigger, slide it into your camera's hot shoe, power both units on, and they find each other on the same channel. From that point on, you're controlling everything from behind the camera. Power up, power down, fire a flash, all without moving. Now, one more thing I want to point out. The Q120 has a built-in LED modeling light. That means you can turn on a constant light to preview where your shadows are going to fall before you ever take a shot. See that? You can see where the shadows fall. And when you're done learning flash, that one feature will teach you more about light placement than any tutorial. Now, a few weeks ago, I took this whole kit up the canyon to shoot real headshots for real people. Not a test in my office, an actual session outdoors. With changing light and a subject waiting on me, here's what shooting outside with a strobe is really about. You're balancing your flash against the sun or other lights. The ambient light gives you the scene, and the flash gives you control over your subject. The Q120 had enough power to hold its own out there. I was shooting at a fraction of full power for most of the session, which means fast recycle times and plenty of battery to spare. The Q120 with the softbox on the front side is my key light. Because the softbox spreads the light so evenly, the flash never looked like a flash. It just looked like a good light. And the wireless trigger meant I could move around my subject freely, change angles, get low, step back without ever touching the light. And that's the thing I want beginners to hear. This is not complicated. One light in close, balanced against the sky, gets you 90% of the way to shoot professional headshots. Let's look at what came out of the session. Look at the light on the face here. The soft transition from highlight into shadow, the catch lights in the eyes, the way the subject separates from the background. None of that is luck, and none of it required a studio. That's one battery-powered light and a softbox in the outdoors. If I showed you these next to headshots for a full studio setup, I genuinely don't think most people could tell you which was which. That's the point of this kit. So here's where I land. If you're new to flash and you've been waiting for a reason to start, this kit removes the excuses. It's affordable, it's battery-powered so you can use it anywhere. The trigger gives you TTL so your first results aren't terrible, and the modeling light teaches you as you go. At 120 watts, this is starter to mid-level power. For most portrait headshots and product work, it's plenty, and it held up outdoors for me. but if you're trying to overpower full direct sunlight from a distance, you'll eventually want more power. The good news is everything you learn and everything you buy here, especially that Bowens mount softbox, carries forward when you upgrade. And for what this costs, the results are hard to argue with. This is the flash kit I'd hand to someone who wants to take portraits seriously without a studio budget. Everything I use in this video is linked in the description, and those are affiliate links, so if you pick anything up, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. If you want to follow along for more videos on cameras, gear, and workflows that help us create, subscribe, and stick around the block. I'll see you in the next one.